A customer messages your salon at 9 in the morning. Nobody replies. By lunchtime, she's booked with your competitor. This happens to small businesses every single day. So I built an agent that makes sure it never happens again. And it lives inside Slack. I am blessing Fortune, the lead strategist at 3F Digital in Limerick Island. No forms, no new software to learn. I just talk to it like a person. It says the lead, and look, it thinks about it too. How urgent is this? And it writes the reply my staff can send ready to go. I can ask it anything in plain English. Behind the scenes, an AI is choosing the right tool for each request. Nothing here is hard-coded. And this is my favorite part. Nobody typed anything here. The agent noticed these customers were waiting too long, and it reminded the team all by itself with waiting times. It keeps reminding until someone replies. No customer ever gets forgotten. Here is how it works inside. The team talks in Slack. My Python program listens. An AI model called Qwen does the thinking. And the special part is that the AI reaches the customer record through MCP, the Model Context Protocol. Think of it as a standard plugs and sockets for AI tools. The AI picks the right tools by itself. That is what makes this a true agent, not just a chatbot. It runs day and night on Alibaba Cloud. 3F lead flow agents built for salons, clinics, physios, and treats people who lose customers every day to slow replies. I built it on my own in days with Slack, MCP, and AI. Thank you for watching. I am blessing Fortune, and no leads get forgotten on my watch.